In this video, I'm going to show you how to hear yourself speaking in OBS Studio if you want to monitor your voice while you are speaking and if you want to apply filters so you can hear the changes in real time. First, go to your OBS Studio and go to settings and go to audio. From here, select your main mic. This is my microphone right now. These are the speakers and I'm using the headset speaker. So select your correct mic from here, and after that scroll down to advanced and select your monitoring device. So right now this is the device that I want to hear from. So these are the headset. So select the headset from here. But if you want to hear it from the speakers or anything else, just select it. After that apply and OK. Now go to audio mixer and go to and select your mic from here or anyone. And click on these three dots and go to advanced audio properties. And now from here we have our mic. This is our mic right now, mic AUX. Now look at this audio mixer. Right now when I speak, only the mic is moving and the desktop's audio is stable, nothing is moving. So once I change the setting to monitor only, right now my voice is getting in the desktop audio and I can hear myself speaking in the headset that I've selected. So if you want to monitor and output, like this. Right now if I speak, I can hear myself and also the output, like it's a record or a stream. The output will have two voices. It will have my mic and the desktop audio, but you can mute the desktop audio like this. So if you want to apply any filters to your voice, just select monitor only or monitor and output, and while you are talking, you can go to your mic and select filters and apply your filters from here. Also, you can use this, let's say for example you are streaming a game and you have your friends in Discord, but you don't want anyone to hear your friends, you just want to hear them yourself. So go back to advanced audio properties. Let's say this desktop audio is Discord. So from here, select it on monitor only. And like that, right now you will only be able to hear it in your headset and no one in the stream will be able to hear them. So just make it to monitor only, and if you want that chat or that stream to hear them, just make it on monitor and output. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.